Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on X Empire coin and its price prediction. Coin has been making big moves, recently hitting the 17s, just as predicted. So what's next? Let's break it down. 2 days ago, we discussed how coin could reach the 17s, and it happened exactly as expected. If you made profits, don't forget to hit like and drop your earnings and entries in the comments. Now the big question, is the rally over, or is there still room for another pump? Currently, X Empire coin's market cap is around $100 million, with trading volume surging to $400 million. The hype is strong, but the RSI indicates an overbought zone, making it risky to buy at this level. For those looking for a re-entry point, here's what to watch. A potential correction could bring coin down to the 10 or 93 zones, making it an ideal buying opportunity. These price levels present a strong support area, allowing for a possible bounce back up to the 17s. That's nearly an 80% gain. Looking at the bigger picture, if the price continues to rise beyond the 17s, we could see another major surge toward the 0.045 level, an additional 150% upside. So what's the best strategy? If you're holding profits, consider securing them now. If you're looking to re-enter, the 10 to 11 range could be the perfect zone to buy back in and ride the next wave. X Empire coin remains a hot topic, but remember, always do your own research before making any trading decisions. That's it for today's update. Like the video, subscribe for more insights, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.